Folks, look at SharperTrades. The S&P 500 came back above the ATMA on Friday, and today is confirming the move. Steady. Now the all-time high 667.29 is the next resistance, with the target at 671 on the SPY, and then 680 and 688. Support, looking at again 80 ATMA and 660, below that 654 and the 50 simple the moving average. Interesting then for marijuana stocks, ACB is a trending one, as well as Cron, primarily related to a video that President Trump posted on his Truth Social stuff. And basically, quick summary, it's pushing CBD oil, describing how the benefits of that thing is doing on seniors especially, and in some ways better than medications. And there is no FDA approved, and so you can go get it. And that's basically what the video is about. Anyway, it's sending the price of these companies higher. ACB is trending. It's testing these, in fact, broke above the recent high briefly, 625, close below it. So it would be interesting if they get some traction and gets to the next target at 680, and then 650, 750, and 824. Support, the moment we're looking at 6 and 580. OESE, this was a previous swing that continues to show good strength and good volume. Now it's breaking out again, or at least trying. The 1135 is a resistance, still below that, needs to push that. I like the volume that came in today. So if he sticks through the move, taking to the high, taking out to the high, 13, 15, and 18 are the targets. Support 10, below that 950. EOSE is a swing. We initiated today when it popped intraday right through here. I'm going to show the 1 minute chart. Right, this level through here on this pullback we entry is a swing, and then traded nicely, reached already the first target at 72. The entry was somewhere around 67. This company trades, it's quite volatile. Sometimes there are a little bit of a wide spread, so you always have to pay attention to that one. But it came down very heavily. In 2022 was as high as 300 and then went down to 40, 39. That was pandemic stuff, so not as relevant. But today move is significantly, primarily related to ChatGPT, suggesting they already have a checkout, direct checkout, instant checkout from Etsy, Spotify. Anyway, big news, big move. And we are tightening stops now, 71 and 69. I'm looking for 77, 83, and 88. LYFT is good. This, I think, wants to go higher. It needs to break through this 2350 resistance. These are our original targets, and I'm going to keep them like that for swing. At least that's what I'm thinking right now. Especially if tomorrow does a little bit of pullback, gives us a nice entry around 2250 or so. Anyway, I like the look of these. 25, 27, and 29 are the targets. And support 22 and 21.
So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets, and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1, or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.